What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell right now, it is currently raining. It's been raining all day, and it's supposed to rain for the rest of the day. You guys are probably wondering, like, hey, where have you been? It's been a full 2 weeks since I've uploaded a video. 2 or 3 now, I think. Maybe 3 weeks since I uploaded a video. Well, I kind of been sick, kind of been under the weather. I had to go to the doctors, had to get a bunch of blood tested. We didn't really know what was going on, but I'm fine now. I'm recovering. It wasn't that bad. What the issue was, it's getting resolved. It's okay. And I don't know if you guys can hear it right now, but it's just pounding on my window right now. So I'm trying to wait out because I think some bad stuff's coming in. I'm trying to wait it out right now. Some good news, despite being sick, my MTB came in the other day, and I was super pumped because I didn't think I was gonna get it yet, but it just came in. So today we're gonna try to do an MTB slam in the rain, as it's probably making my audio obnoxious. It's super loud banging on the car. Got some rain gear. We're gonna go out there. Don't know if I'm bringing the big camera just because of, you know, the rain, but we are gonna get the job done with this today. Real quick though, I am gonna show you guys what's in this month's box. But if you guys wanna get this box for $5, all these lures in here, similar stuff, you can get it for $5. Use code SLINGER. It's the first link in the description down below. It's like your birthday every month. I mean, I wasn't feeling that good, and then this came in, and it made me super excited to get this in. So if you wanna get your first one for $5, link down below. We're gonna do this real quick. We're gonna make it simple because I wanna get fishing, get my rain gear on. If I can try to set this somewhere down in the car. There's fine. So we got some baits right here. I'm not really sure what this is called, but it is a drop shot thing. I got that rigged up already. Right here we got some Biospawn Exo Swims. As you can see, one's missing. I have it rigged on a spinnerbait right now on one of my rods. Right here we got this Ooyy prank. It's got a bill on it, but it's a topwater bait, so this will be really interesting. We got this Great Lakes agitator. This is a nice lipless crank. This bluegill color will also slay today. It sounds pretty loud, which I do like that obnoxiousness. That's even a word. We have a lure I never tried before and don't even know how to use. Chatterbait bucktail. No idea how to use this. I've never used something like this before. So I don't know if anything was on the back of it, but we're just gonna tie it up and throw it and see how it works. This is the blue craw. You can see there's some blue right there. But actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and then I'm gonna cut some of it up and put it on this lumberjack flipping jig. I think these two paired together could be a pretty good combination, and we can cross them off at the same time. Yeah, that's the box. Keep it pretty simple, going through it really fast. We're gonna put some rain gear on and we're gonna see how this goes. I really don't know how it's gonna work out today. I'm hoping we can just complete the slam. I'm gonna get super wet, you know, but it's whatever. Guys, thank you for tuning in today's video. I really hope you guys have been enjoying the videos. I am gonna be doing some different species soon, AKA salmon, right? Am I fishing for salmon? Yeah, I'm fishing for salmon soon. So stay tuned for that. But today we're doing bass. Let's try to catch a fish. I haven't fished in, like I said, 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm really pumped even though it's raining. That's why I'm coming out here, and let's do it. All right, we're just getting the boat loaded up here. Rain is coming down, and I got the oars though. That's our transportation today. I think I only need one. This boat is really small, so I can control it pretty easily. This MTB box is not gonna survive, there's no way, but here's the pond. You guys seen it before, and we're gonna get out there and try to catch some fish. Let's do it. Here's the deal today. We got the little John boat, we got the backpack getting soaked, we got the MTB box getting soaked. I'm getting soaked, but I got rain gear. We got 4 rods, got some lures tied up. We got an anchor today, and what I'm using to pin it down is my foot because I can't tie it anywhere in the boat. So yeah. I have the Exo Swim on the back of this spinnerbait that John B left in the boat, and I thought it was a really good looking spinnerbait, and it does look really good. So thank you, John, for that. Hopefully it catches us a big one. And the beauty about this, we can always just turn around and hit this bank as well. This bank actually is pretty decent. Like that one. Right when it hit the water, look at my whole boat just turned. Stay down. Woo! We just said I can hit both sides standing here, and this boat's just getting tortured out here. It just keeps turning. But right when it hit the water, it's a decent one for here, I think. That's not that big, but I don't care. Crossing the Exo Swim off the list if I can get them in. That would be huge. In the rain, boys. MTB slam. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. First fish of the day, guys. Look at that Exo Swim. Choked it. Literally, as soon as they hit the water, it's probably about a foot deep there. Fish number 1. Not a big one, but to get bit right away on the spinnerbait, it's awesome. And that is crossed off the list. And if I beat the slam kind of early, I'd love to go back to the spinnerbait and just keep tossing it around because I know that can produce some big bites, definitely in the fall. There's the fish, right? Yeah. Sorry, I was making sure I was still stepping on the anchor, so it didn't go anywhere. Right away in the lipless. Come on. Come on. He's in. Oh, baby, let's go on the lipless. I think this rain is making him eat. This weather's going all over the place, but there it is on the bluegill lipless crank, guys. Lipless crank is one of my favorite fall baits, so to be in this box is perfect. Okay, so fish number 2 crossed off the list with the lipless crank, little guy. Nothing big yet. We're not even on my favorite part of the pond yet, and yet this is still producing. So I think what I'm gonna do actually is get my hook stuck in my backpack. No, here we go. But I got that top water popper thing, kind of with like a little bill on the front of it. The thing I love about my poppers, and this one specifically, is the feathers. The feathers at the back. When your popper's sitting there in the water and you're twitching and pausing, the whole time you're paused, these feathers will just be moving, and that's what I believe usually entices the bass. I don't throw a popper unless it has those on the back of it. That's a terrible cast. We'll still see if it works out, but that's why I love the little feathers on the back. Oh, this could be epic. Not the best rod I want for topwater fishing, but you know what? It should get the job done. Oh, he exploded on it! Oh my god, I'm falling! I'm gonna fall and tip the boat. He exploded on that. That was epic. It was just sitting there. Oh, what a feisty guy right there. Not that big, but that was so sick. Oh my gosh, topwater bites are so exciting. And look at that. You got all hooks, and he wasn't going anywhere. That is so sick, guys. That is awesome. Fish is not a big one at all, but he exploded on the popper. That was super cool. I might just toss it again because I do like this spot, and see if we can't get another bite on that popper, because that was super sick. Got my heart racing, and that topwater, it beats everything. Topwater is so sick. Bruh! Wait, I think I overused. Fish on the drop shot. Oh, I don't care how big it is. I just want him in. Doesn't feel that big. Oh, nice little jump there. Now obviously not that big, but on the drop. I hate the drop shot. Drop shot sucks. Oh, that was my chance. Actually does look pretty good. I'm gonna let it sit out there, and I'm not gonna give it a steady retrieve. Oh, I'm gonna steady it and then drop it and twitch it. Let that like feather or whatever is on the back of that thing just swirl around. The vibration. Oh, I got hit. I definitely got hit. Still got him. Jeez. What the heck? Jeez. All right. Well, it works. I had no idea. He must have been swimming toward me. A little bass, I'm assuming. Yeah. Man. Woo. Well, at least it crossed off the list. I want to chuck it around a little more just to experiment. But that's just a little guy on this, and we'll put him right back. I do want to cast this in the same spot a little more because I like that tactic, and I think I actually want to pull off a decent fish on this because it does look really good. Yeah! I'm hooked up. Ooh, that's a good fish. Stay down. I think that's a decent one. No! You've got to be kidding me. And the thing was with the drop shot too, I know a lot of people are wondering, like, how do you feel biting a drop shot? I didn't feel that, okay? I just felt a little dead weight, and I saw my line moving slightly to the left, and that's generally what a bigger fish will do. They won't exactly just take it and run. They'll just kind of sit there with it. And I lost one right now just by doing that. Yes. Fish. Stay down, you son of a gun. Stay down. And stay on. Stay down, you stupid. Come on. Right by that log, right where I wanted him. We're gonna flip him. Yes! Drop shot! Gone! Nothing crazy, but there the drop shot is. Right in his lip. Success! He is. Let's kiss her goodbye. Bye. Catch her on the jig. We finished the MTB Slam, which by now, guys, is just like soaking wet because it's cardboard in the rain. It doesn't exactly mix water and cardboard. Drop shot is done. We can actually just throw the whole rod out now and put it in the water because we don't really want it anymore because we don't like drop shot. And drop shotting does produce fish in all seriousness. It is a good method sometimes, but now we go for my favorite method, and that's the jig. I'm gonna catch one right here in this first cast. I got the hard hat jig with the Carl Amazing Baits Blue Craw cut down. I didn't want to leave it too long, but I did like the extremities in the back of it. If that's even the right word for it, I don't even know. But we're just gonna whip it around here. We got some nice cover, we got some nice ground, and we're gonna pick all the fish right here. There's one. He's swimming toward me. Oh, that feels good. Stay down. Come on. That's the biggest fish in my entire life. Oh my God. Look at the size of this. I just broke my personal best. There's no, I have to. Look at that. I thought I was stuck on a log for a second. On the jig from the MTB. Oh my God. I'm shaking. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Right on top of the mouth. We're on the jig. We need some pictures so bad. Look at the gut on this fish. Oh my God. It's coming in. I'm shaking. I saw the mouth on that. Oh my God. I started freaking out. Look at this pig. Oh my God. Let's pull out the big camera. Holy shit. I get this fish some water. Oh my God. I'm freaking out. It has to be by PB. I mean, it has to be. It's huge. And it has a huge stomach. I saw it and I was like freaking out right away. Oh, right here. This right here is the bass. This right here is the bass. Are you kidding me? Look at the gut and the mouth on this monster. We're gonna get a weight right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. All right, this is what I think it is. We're gonna try it one more time. Oh my gosh. This is my personal best though. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time because I just wanna make sure this is what it is. No way. That seems about right. Oh. This fish right here, 7 pounds, 14 ounces. That's it right there. That is unbelievable. My personal best by a mile. Oh my gosh. We're gonna dip them back in the water, get her breathing, and then we're gonna get the iPhone out and get some pictures. But wow, what a way to complete the MTB Slam with this almost 8-pounder, 7 pounds, 14 ounces. Are you kidding me? That is so close to being an 8-pounder. I could tell people it was 8 and they believe me, but I'm not because it's not 8. It is by far the biggest fish I've ever seen. It has to beat my personal best. I can't believe that just happened. Cannot believe. Right here. Oh my God. This is 7 pounds, 14 ounces. This bass is no joke, man. Look at this. This thing is no joke. MTB Slam complete. Oh my goodness. That is the biggest fish in my life. Biggest fish I've caught in my life. Look at the head on that. That is unbelievable. I saw it and I was freaking out. I cannot believe that just happened. 7 pounds, 14 ounces, nearly an 8-pounder that I just caught. Look at that, look at that. Oh my God, it's huge. That is the biggest fish I've ever seen in person or caught, man. Look at the size of its head. That is just shocking to me. And there she goes. Bam! 7 pounds, 14 ounces. Oh my God. Absolutely unbelievable. I'm shaking. Like, I can't believe that just happened. I just released a bass that was 7 pounds and 14 ounces. Like, I can't believe it just happened. You know, you work your whole life to try to catch a big fish, and it just happens. I can't even snap. My hands are so flip. I'm trying to snap. Here we go. I mean, you work so hard your whole life to catch a fish, and it just, all of a sudden, it just happens like that. I put that fish back, and like that just happened. I cannot believe it. 7 pounds, 14 ounces. Absolute stud. That is so awesome. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. And we completed the slam. We completed the freaking slam. Oh, that is awesome. I think I'm gonna sign you guys out here because we just completed the slam. Just caught my personal best. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see pictures on Instagram, I'm leaving it on the screen right now, and I did before. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, because that was just insane. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.